It doesn't matter if you're on the farm, the trail, or you just get caught in a sudden downpour. Nobody wants to track that in their car or truck. Well, the people at Husky Liners have found a way to beat the weather. The Husky Liners Weatherbeater floor liners are designed to keep your ride's interior safe from the elements and, well, anything else that might mess up the carpet. The Weatherbeater premium liner material is made to take on anything. It can handle sub-zero and scorching hot temperatures, as well as oil spills and even battery acid. And they couldn't be easier to clean. You just take them out, hose them off, and you're done. Husky uses a 3D laser scanner, and using their form-fit design process, they will perfectly fit your ride. And thanks to the form-fit edge, you'll also have a raised barrier along the door jamb to hold its shape. These liners use your factory retention posts, and they have these stay-put cleats to help keep them in place. No slipping, no sliding, no nonsense. With these liners, you'll be ready for just about anything.